Welcome to Beyond Repair. Today I have my cheap Porsche Boxster 981 and I'm gonna fix another problem. As I mentioned in the first video, and if you missed it, check it out. I did the walk around and I told you how much I spent for the car. We have a problem that the airbag light pops up whenever I lower the seat all the way back and down. You know what? Before I take the seat, I want to show you what it does so you get a better idea. All right, you don't have the airbag light. Moving down. No airbag, moving back, airbag. Forward, up, and no airbag. So now you know. And if you happen to see the airbag light while you're moving the seat, that's where you start. First, we need to get the seat as high as possible and as forward as possible. This way we should be able to get better access to the rear, and then we'll do the front. So we have two bolts right here, and it's gonna be the same story for the front. We're taking E12. Put it here, pull it up, and take it away. E12. Let's take the front. It's on the angle, so you have to like this. That should do it. And the seat should be free. Okay, let's take those two out. So I hope you can see on the far back, you're gonna have a wiring loom comes in to that plastic connector, and you have to just pull that tree down, put your pliers or trim tool and disconnect the cable. Before I'm gonna remove it, I want to see the wires and I want to see the seat, possibly figure out if something is wrong right away instead of, you know, disconnecting everything and doing a whole bunch of diagnostic. So first and foremost, I'm just looking for the places where you don't have any insulation, maybe broken wires or something. That's the tree, that's the clip that was sitting right here. It got broken, so I'm gonna replace that. Let's look at the wires and possible causes. So I think that could be my issue, because it's kind of stretched and it's kind of bent right here. See, it looks to be bent. So let's test my theory. Turn the ignition on, get the car rolling. And do we have airbag? We clearly don't have the airbag light. It looks to be pulled. It's like when you touch it, you can tell it feels wrong. It feels like a broken wire. So it just gets jammed right away. So when I'm lowering the seat like that, so all the way back and down, jams that wire. Can I get the airbag light, please? Because I would be done with it. Do you route it right here? Does look like a clip where you're supposed to route it. Okay, let's test it, I guess. You got the seat back. Let me see. So no airbag light, right? It's not mounted, of course, so I'm sliding down, all the way down, all the way back, and I'm not getting the airbag light anymore. Yeah, let's test it with the seat belt. Okay, I'm not getting an airbag light anymore, so I guess that was pretty easy. So it's not gonna be easy to put it back unless you take the most right corner, the most left corner that is gonna be closer to the driver's door, align it and slide it over, then the other side and straight click. Otherwise you can easily break that piece, and of course it's gonna cost you a fortune at the Porsche. Okay, same goes for the other side. You just slide it over, so the most far right corner closer to the tunnel has to be the guide. Click. Get your mat back, remove any tools, let's take it for a spin. If I fix the airbag, that's a win. Besides, I already fixed a ton of things today, so maybe it's a good idea to take it for a spin and verify all the repairs. Okay, no airbag. Okay, if I go down all the way back, no airbag. Sweet. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and we're gonna keep doing the maintenance because, I mean, nobody did before me, and whoever bought the cheapest Boxster has to pay for it. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.